Daily word list. Covaxin, noun.
India's first indigenous COVID-19 vaccine candidate, Covaxin, developed by a Hyderabad-based company, Bharat Biotech, in collaboration with the ICMR, the Indian Council of Medical Research.
Enable, verb.
Allow, permit, give permission to, authorize.
Ravage, verb.
Devastate, ruin, destroy, wreak havoc on, damage.
Universal, adjective.
Relating to all people, applicable to all, comprehensive, all-inclusive, all-round, across the board.
Swift, adjective.
Prompt, rapid, quick, sudden, immediate.
Vaccination, noun.
Treatment with a vaccine to protect against a particular disease, immunization.
Universal vaccination, noun.
Vaccination for all.
Way out, noun.
Answer, solution.
Mitigate, verb.
Reduce, lessen, decrease, make less severe.
Pandemic, noun.
The worldwide spread of a new disease. The illness spreads around the world and typically affects a large number of people across a wide area.
Dose, noun.
An amount/quantity of something.
Vaccinate, verb.
Inoculate, administer, introduce, with a vaccine to provide immunity against a disease.
Substantial, adjective.
Considerable, significant, large.
Immunity, noun.
Protection, resistance, non-susceptibility, against infectious disease.
Novel coronavirus, noun.
A new strain, type/variety, coronavirus that has not been previously identified in humans.
Variant, noun.
Different or form or version or mutant of something, virus.
A tall order, phrase.
Something that is very difficult to do, demanding, exacting, difficult, task/job.
Constraint, noun.
Restriction, limitation, restraint.
Vaccine, noun.
A biological preparation that improves immunity to a particular disease.
So far, phrase.
Until now, up to the present, up to this point.
Oxford vaccine/Covishield, noun.
CHRDox1nCoV19, or AZD1222, is a COVID-19 vaccine candidate developed by Oxford University and AstraZeneca, UK Limited, named Covishield in India. Serum Institute of India, SII, a biotechnology company, has partnered with global pharma giant AstraZeneca and Oxford University for this vaccine candidate Covishield.
Sputnik V, noun.
a COVID-19 vaccine candidate developed by the Gamaleya Research Institute of Epidemiology and Microbiology, Moscow, and registered by the Russian Ministry of Health.
Deploy, verb.
Use, utilize, employ, make use of.
Halt, verb.
Stop, terminate, end.
Address, verb.
Tackle, deal with, attend to, try to sort out.
Augmentation, noun.
Increase, expansion, multiplication, enlargement.
Abroad, noun.
Foreign countries as a whole.
Over the long term, phrase.
For a long period of time.
Expose, verb.
Make vulnerable, subject to something, infectious agents and others.
Seek, verb.
Request, ask for, appeal, demand.
Waiver, noun.
Deferral, rejection, renunciation, with no stipulation/restrictions.
Provision, noun.
Clause, legal, term, requirement, condition.
Agreement on trade-related aspects of intellectual property rights, noun.
The WTO Agreement on Trade-Related Aspects of Intellectual Property Rights, TRIPS, is the most comprehensive multilateral agreement on intellectual property, IP. It plays a central role in facilitating trade in knowledge and creativity, in resolving trade disputes over IP, and in assuring WTO members the latitude to achieve their domestic policy objectives. It frames the IP system in terms of innovation, technology transfer and public welfare. The agreement is a legal recognition of the significance of links between IP and trade and the need for a balanced IP system.
Facilitate, verb.
Make easy, make possible, enable, assist, help/aid.
Statutory, adjective.
Legitimate, acceptable, permissible.
Regime, noun.
System, arrangement, apparatus, mechanism.
Diversity, noun.
Variety, range, array.
Submission, noun.
Proposal, suggestion, proposition, recommendation.
Statutory power, noun.
A legal power given by statute law.
Patents Act, 1970, noun.
An act to amend and consolidate the law relating to patents.
Counterproductive, adjective.
Harmful, damaging, dangerous/destructive.
Contradictory, adjective.
Contrary, contrasting, conflicting, inconsistent.
Section 100 of the Patents Act, 1970, noun.
It enables central government to use patented inventions for government purposes. It allows the center government to license specific companies to manufacture the vaccines.
Section 92 of the Patents Act, 1970, noun.
It enables the central government to issue compulsory licenses for the manufacture of patented drugs in a public health emergency.
Circumstances, noun.
Situation, condition, context.
Toll, noun.
Number, count, total, number of deaths.
Caseload, noun.
The number of cases to be handled by a doctor at one time.
Rigid, adjective.
Firm, inflexible, strict, severe, stern.
Stance, noun.
Position, approach, standpoint.
Consent, noun.
Agreement, assent, approval.
Indian Council of Medical Research, noun.
The apex body in India for the formulation, coordination and promotion of biomedical research, is one of the oldest medical research bodies in the world. As early as in 1911, the Government of India set up the Indian Research Fund Association, IRFA, with the specific objective of sponsoring and coordinating medical research in the country. It was redesignated in 1949 as the Indian Council of Medical Research, ICMR. The ICMR is funded by the Government of India through the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare.
National Institute of Virology, noun.
The National Institute of Virology is one of the major institutes of the Indian Council of Medical Research, ICMR. It was established at Pune, Maharashtra state in 1952 as Virus Research Center, VRC, to do intensive training and research in virology in India.
Redundant, adjective.
Unnecessary, not required, inessential, unwanted.
Augment, verb.
Increase, intensify, improve, boost, enhance.
Public sector enterprise / public sector undertaking, noun.
Companies owned by the Union Government of India or one of the many state or territorial governments or both together in parts. The company stock is majority owned by the government in a PSU.
Immunological, adjective.
Relating to immunology, the study of immune systems in all organisms.
Besides, preposition / linking adverb.
In addition to, as well, apart from.